Good morning, children. Yesterday we started new lesson no, the nervous system. So our nervous system. Yesterday we discussed our nervous system. So what is the nervous system? So the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves form a nervous system. Okay, the brain, the spinal cord, and nerves form the nervous system. Okay, so yesterday we discussed about the brain. Especially in our brain, three important parts have, so cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. We know very well. Yesterday we discussed no. So the brain over now. Today I am going to discuss about the spinal cord. The spinal cord. Okay, second one, the spinal cord. The spinal cord extends from the base of the brain or medulla to almost the lower end of the backbone. Okay, so what is the backbone? The spinal cord means the spinal cord extends from the backbone. Okay, extends from the back here. Base of the brain or medulla to almost lower end of the backbone. Here once you have to observe here, this is our brain. Here one long rod model backbone have na, just you have to touch your backbone have na. So the spinal cord extends from the base of the brain. Here brain have your base of the brain. Okay, so from the base of the brain or medulla, so to almost lower end of the backbone here. So this is called spinal cord. Okay, it encloses inside. So tough, bony. When you are touching the backbone means it is tough and bony but flexible. Flexible means we can bend, we can stand, we can move like this. This is called flexible. Okay, so like the arrangement have in our backbone. Okay, so here the brain also touch. Okay, the base of the brain or medulla. Here only have the brain or medulla attached to the spinal cord means backbone. Okay, so this is called spinal cord. It is tough, very tough, bony but flexible. Okay, it connects the rest of the body to the brain through nerves. It connects the rest of the body to the brain through nerves. Okay, already we know very well. So this is brain, this is spinal cord, these all are nerves. Okay, children. So here it attached to the spinal cord, attached to the brain and nerves. Okay, this is brain, spinal cord. Okay, spinal cord. These all nerves. Okay, so this is spinal cord. Next, nerves. So long thread. Here nerves, long thread like structure carry the messages between the brain and spinal cord. So these all are called nerves. We know the very well nerves, long thread structured, carry the messages brain to our body parts, each and every body parts. The messages carried by the nerves only. Okay, so it connected through our spinal cord and attached to the brain also. Okay, children. So here nerves. Here head and neck join directly. Here head have na in our head and neck. So here the head and the neck join the brain directly. So the neck and our head also join the nerves directly. And however nerves from other parts of the body join each side of the spinal cord. Here each side of the spinal cord have the nerves no. So these nerves bring the messages to the brain and to the all part of our body. Okay, so each nerves have the nerve cells. the nerves are made up of cells. So there are three kinds of nerves have. Nerve cells. Nerves are made up of nerve cells. Here three kinds of nerves have. Okay. Three kinds of nerves. So here three kinds of nerves have. First one, sensory nerves, motor nerves, mixed nerves. Okay children, three types of nerves have nerves made up of nerve cells. Three main nerves have sensory nerves, okay, motor nerves and mixed nerves. So here sensory nerves. Sensory nerves bring messages to the sense organs to the brain. Okay, so sensory nerves the nerves which bring messages from the sense organs to the brain. Sense organs to the brain are called sensory nerves. So these sensory nerves bring messages from brain. Bring messages from sense organs brain. Okay, so here the nerves which bring messages from the sense organs to the brain. Sense organs to the brain. These nerves are called sensory nerves. Okay, next motor nerves. Motor nerves means they carry orders. Brain or spinal cord to muscles or glands. Okay, so the nerves which carry orders from the brain or spinal cord to the glands or muscles, okay, so are called motor nerves. Okay, so motor nerves means they carry orders to brain or spinal cord to muscles or glands. These nerves are called motor nerves. Mixed nerves. Next, mixed nerves means it carry and orders, bring messages and carry the orders. Mixed, both work it is doing. Mixed nerves. Okay, so here bring messages and orders. So our messages and orders. The nerves which messages to the brain as well as bring orders from brain to bring orders from the brain. Bring messages. The nerves which carry messages to the brain as well as bring orders to the brain. Messages and orders to the brain are called mixed nerves. Okay, so the nervous systems control all the actions. Our nervous system only controls the all actions, but some of our actions are automatically it's going on. So here these actions are called reflex actions. Okay, some actions we are automatically we are doing reflex actions. Actually, our nervous system only controls the all actions of our body. body, but sometimes automatically the actions going on. That actions we are called reflex actions. For example, like one candle is there, so it's burning. So suddenly your friend take your hand and keeping that on the candle, the burning, the light on the light, your friend throwing like this only. So you are feeling very pain. So immediately your hand is burning like that. The fire touching to your hand. Immediately you can pull back your hand. So who said to you? It's a happen. It's automatically it's happen. So suddenly you are going on the road. So you saw the one accident. You are feeling very shocked. Like that only you are doing. It is also one type of automatically you did like this. Especially our eyes also blinking. Heavy light you are seeing means your eyes blinking like this only. It is also one type of reflect action. And when you are seeing the lemon or sour mango, like lemon mango, if you are seeing means your mouth water forming like that you are feeling. It is also one type of automatical reflex action. Okay, so it's feelings, it's continuously we can't take the space, immediately it's happen. These all are called the reflex actions. Okay, on touching a hot object, the nerves send a message to the spinal cord. On touching a hot object, the nerves send the message to the spinal cord. So the spinal cord orders the finger to withdraw. The spinal cord orders the fingers withdraw. So when you are doing like this only, hardly you are kicking out. Okay, you are pulling back to your hand. Why? Because the messages, the orders coming from the brain to spinal cord. Okay. Okay, next topic, sense organs. We know very well sense organs. The organs which connected to the outside world, so are known as sense organs. Outside world connected to the organs with the outside world are known as the sense organs. We know 5 sense organs are there: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Okay, so eyes. The eyes are the most important sense organ. When without eyes we can't see anything. We are blind people. So eyes have means when we are seeing the beautiful world. So many colors, so many pictures, so many plants and most beautiful places we are seeing with our eyes. So without eyes we can't see anything. So eyes are the most important part of sense organ. Okay. So each eyeball is safely set in a deep bony socket. Each eyeball is set in the eye socket. Okay. So here 5 sense organs are there. So first one is the eyes. Eyes are the very important sense organ. So in our Telugu, Sarvendriyanam Nayanam Pradhanam is one word is there. So one sameta is there now. Sarvendriyanam Nayanam Pradhanam. It is a very important part in our body. Okay. So eyes, eyebrows, eyelash, eyeliner, eye socket. So like this only have eyes. The each eyeball is settled. Each eyeball is settled safely, set in a deep bony socket, and is further protected by the eyelids and eyelashes. Eyeball settled in socket, eyelids and eyelash. It protected by the eyelids and eyelash. Eyeball, eyelids and eyelash protected. Suddenly the wind coming means we are closing our eyes. The dust coming also we are closing our eyes. It protected by our eyes. Okay. So next, in the front portion of the eye there is a circular transparent or called the cornea. Okay, here the eye picture I will draw. Okay, it's outside, inside. Retina. So inner parts of the eye. Okay, it is the retina, optic nerve, optic nerve. Okay, next cornea. It is called cornea. Pupil, the eye. Okay, pupil, iris, lens. Lens, the human eye. Okay, the eye. What is that? The human eye. Human eye. So here in the front portion of the eye there is a circular transparent area called the cornea. Front portion of the eye circular. See here the front portion of the eye, circular portion of the is called cornea. What is that? Circular. Okay, round shaped have this is called cornea. Okay, the colored circle in the eye is the iris. The colored circle in the eye is called iris. Okay, next the pupil which looks like a black spot. The pupil, this is which looks like a black spot, black color hand in our round shaped, that is called pupil. Okay, next which looks like a black spot is the opening through which light enters the lens. So it is the light enters the lens. Next, light travels through pupil to the retina at the back of the eye where the image of the object is formed. So the The light travels through the retina where the image is formed. So, like that we can see the objects. A sensory nerve called the optic nerve connected the eye to the brain. So, the sensory nerve connected to the optic. What is that? Optic nerve. Okay. Connects the eye to the brain. The eye to the brain. That is called the optic nerve. Okay. Next, care of eyes. We must try to avoid the any kind of injury to our eyes. Follow these rules. So we must follow the rules, means we can protect our eyes. Okay. What are the rules? Wash your eyes regularly with clean and cold water. So daily we are washing 2 times, morning and evening, not twice a day. We have to wash our eyes with cold water, clean water. Do not study or work in dim light or very bright light. Some members the book like this only, touching dim light or very bright light. It is very harmful to our eyes. So we have to choose the correct lighting only. So next, this tights the eyes. Let the light fall from the left side only. Let the light fall from the left side only. Next, do not read in a moving vehicle. This is strain your eyes. So do not read in a moving vehicle. Sometimes some members going one place to another place, they are sitting in the bus, means in the buses, any vehicles, they are moving vehicles, they are reading. It is not good for your health. Okay. So next, always sit at least 6 feet away from the television. You have to sit 6 feet away from the television, and don't play regularly video games. So it is also harmful to your eyes. Mostly nowadays small children are also addicted from mobiles. It is also harmful to their eyes. So long period don't see the video games, don't play the games. It is harmful to your eyes. Next, always do not read while lying down. Sit erect and hold the book about the foot away from your eyes. So some members bending like this, lying. So don't do like that. You have to keep your book a foot distance. You have to read properly. Okay. So never rub your eyes with a dirty towel and a dirty hands. So it is harmful. This can cause infections also. So don't use another towels and handkerchiefs if they have an eye infection, means. So tell your teacher or a parent if you are not seeing, cannot read what is written on the board. So sometimes some children not saying to their parents. If the I've written in the board means you are not seeing properly, means you have to inform to your teachers or parents. It is a good thing. So you have to follow these rules. You can protect your eyes. Okay children, tomorrow we will discuss the ears, second sense organs. I hope you understand children. This is about human eye. So cornea, pupil, iris, lens, retina, optic nerve. So more information you have to learn in the higher classes. So you have to practice this structure. Okay, this is your homework. Thank you.